If you started your day and you woke up and you said, you know what I want to do today? I want to watch on YouTube. I want to watch two old guys not play a game.
Subscribe.
You've come to the right place.
Yeah.
8-Bit Bromance was filmed before a live studio audience.
What's up, Bitheads? It is 8-Bit Bromance with Mike.
And Mike.
Nice. I like this excitement. We're in it.
And we're in the Bromance lair playing Double Dribble.
Double Dribble, baby.
People love our sports content.
They
Mike.
love it, and that's why we do it. It's all for them.
And I know what a lot of the bit heads were thinking. They're like, you know what? After Mike just got completely wrecked in ice hockey. There's no way that he's gonna come back and challenge Mike to another athletic competition. But you were wrong. I said let's play Double Dribble.
I'm gonna play all fats.
You can't. You can't in this game.
I know.
This is the pros. Oh, Jesus.
Look at how many people are coming to watch this game. All at once.
Is that what that graphic is supposed to be
I think so.
depicting?
Look at the crowd coming in to see sports at its finest. Balloons and blimps and more balloons. I love this.
Beautiful. Majestic. Wow. Kind of brings a tear to the eye, huh?
Okay. So we got time. Team. Who do we got? New York. Chicago. LA.
Oh, let's do that's classic.
New York.
What year was this game made?
87?
Yeah, we got to do LA versus Boston.
You want to be Boston?
Just a classic NBA matchup.
All right. Here we go.
All right, let's do it.
You didn't even have to jump for that one.
Wow.
Oh, boy.
Oh, wow. This is going to be complex, isn't it?
Okay. So basketball is played. Where am I?
I think he was going for a slam dunk.
Oh, you got. Okay, so you let go of the button. Make sure you let go of the button.
All right, what's the button to pass?
Apparently
I didn't know
the
it.
other one. The other one that you were not pressing.
Action pack.
This is like a real life game of me and you playing basketball. Back pass.
Back pass. Man, they're getting real technical.
Oh!
What?
Okay, this game rules. That was cool as hell. That's Kevin McHale right there from half court.
Look at this.
I would have loved it if that went in.
So I played on a league with work. This is a while ago. It was probably like 10 years ago. Still just as unathletic as I am now. I was then. Did that sentence make sense?
Did I steal the ball?
Oh, you did. You son of a gun. But, I hadn't played competitive sports in forever. So my strategy, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go out there.
Nice.
I'm going to get the ball. And first time I get the ball, I'm going to take a shot. Like, I'm actually going to go out, and that way I'll break the ice. So I went out and I took a shot, and I threw it right over the backboard into the crowd.
That's my man. That's what I like to see. You're demonstrating your power. It's a power move. Ooh, nice. That was sick.
Out of bounds.
So I've noticed that.
What have you noticed?
Kids these days.
I get worried when
the kids these days are wearing their shorts. When we were kids, we were wearing shorts like way down past our knees, right?
Yes.
Now,
Are they short shorts again?
now they're wearing them not short, but like above their knees.
Yeah.
But I want these. I think I'm getting those for myself.
Well, yeah, because when we were like elementary school age, these were the shorts. It wasn't until we were like in middle school and high school where that changed. So you probably just have some fond memories of rocking some real nice shorts
My shorts
out on the playground.
My shorts in high school might as well have been pants.
People were offended by you calling your shorts. No, I had beautiful thighs in high school.
You still do.
So
Don't sell yourself short.
I was just, I was upset that the fashion of the time prevented me from showing that
but
off.
now we can totally bring it back. We've got the ability to do so.
Yeah, I want to get some of those like nice Nantucket red, those Nantucket rust shorts that come just above the knee.
Listen, we've got a platform now. Me and you and all the bitheads at home.
Yeah.
It's all
If anyone's out
short
there,
shorts, baby. Let's go.
if anyone's out there that wants to give me free Nantucket red shorts, feel free to send them in. I feel like whoever programmed this game, they
Boom.
they were like, yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. You get the feel of playing basketball when you're playing it. And then some like rookie, like young guy, no experience programmer came in and did that slam dunk cutscene and just blew everyone's minds. We're like, holy.
And they had to put in what you can see in those scenes that there is a huge crowd. Just so it doesn't seem like a high school gym. Ooh, yeah! Halftime show.
This is exactly like the NBA. Neither of us have made a defensive play the entire time. It's just been up and down the court scoring. Look at these.
I love this.
Look at them high stepping. Get me.
What is that guy?
What is that?
A blue banana.
I thought it was a hot dog. Get out of town. The crowd is riled up. Everyone's throwing up fists. Wow. Okay.
All right. This game is something.
That's one way to put it. That is one way to put it. Oh, I almost intercepted. Oh, you tricky. Get that rebound.
That was a play. We discussed it in the locker room
really?
before
During
we came
halftime?
back out. Yeah. Oh shit! Wide open.
Look at that. I pulled ahead.
Yeah, you are ahead. You were already ahead,
come on.
apparently.
That's a cheap shot. You know I'm sensitive about my head size.
Oh, tied it up with that one.
Check this out, bitch. Oh, I so badly want that to work at one point.
You would think a game called
Fundamentals.
Double Dribble would like make me have to worry about the dribbling.
Right. You can tell someone who knew nothing about basketball named this game and they thought, oh, double dribble sounds awesome. Is that a cool move in basketball?
No.
Sick. Are you saying that basketball didn't exist in Japan?
No,
in
I'm
the 80s?
saying maybe maybe the translation was off.
I could have passed it in that whole time. All right. Settle down.
Sorry, that was awesome.
Settle down. It was awesome, but still.
Rad dunk.
That is a rad dunk. I can't deny that. The deafening sound of dribbling.
Nasty. You can't fake the funk on that nasty dunk.
Oh, whoa. Wow, that's 3 bricks in a row from the three-point line. I got to start bringing it inside.
Double dribble. Pushing.
Oh,
I got called for
Do not
pushing.
push me.
You know.
Here I go. They got to show me bringing it all the way up to the...
Oh my God, what is this?
Oh, I see. Okay, I think I get it. Nope, I don't get it.
I don't get it. Did you have to
I think if it's when it's lower down near the net, there's a better chance of you getting it.
All right. Hopefully I don't get called for pushing again. Oh, that didn't go in.
Here's another chalk it up for another loss. I won in Tecmo Bowl, but every other sport we've played, I've just been destroyed in. Unless you count Pit Fighter as a sport, which I do.
You destroyed me in Royal Rumble too, and that's America's favorite pastime.
That's true. Oh my God.
We got to play more wrestling games, I think.
We don't have to play less wrestling games, I'll tell you that much.
I like the way you think.
Oh man, you know how to pass it. Oh! Do it! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh.
If that went in, I would have been so happy. Yeah! Look at this guy.
You got a birthday card. And girls are waving hankies at him in the background. Yoo-hoo!
I am a winner.
Wow, you are. You finally got the validation you've been seeking
my whole life.
All you had to do was play Double Dribble. We're going to continue playing basketball games for the NES with Jordan versus Bird.
I love it.
Yeah, 1988, Milton Bradley.
Milton Bradley, you famous video games.
Mm-hmm. Put out some of my favorite video games.
Milton Bradley, a subsidiary
of Hasbro.
Yeah, let's give it a shot. We're continuing our basketball extravaganza with this game.
I'm liking it so far.
Jordan versus Bird.
Let's try slam dunk competition.
Okay, slam dunk contest.
Slam dunk contest.
All right, so I'm pressing all the directions, and it's not changing to 2.
Maybe we got to do a slam dunk warm-up?
Oh!
You got it!
I did it.
All right, we got a 2-player slam dunk contest going on.
Okay, so...
You got to pick from your menu of dunks.
Okay.
You know, like you do.
Well, one of these jumps out at me right away.
Which one?
The Wrath of Mjolnir.
Oh, the two-handed hammer dunk.
How do I do it?
I'm not here to tell you. You're the competition, buddy.
I'm pressing all the buttons and nothing's happening.
You're just hot dogging on the court for a bit. Getting the judges revved up. They're ready for it. They're like, Jordan, come on.
They're like, come on, you got it.
Don't tease us like this, Jordan.
I don't know what
Dunk
button
it.
I'm supposed to...
Jordan, dunk it. Do
I'm
not.
pressing all the buttons.
We get it. You're the greatest.
So
but
I have to do it from a certain
We only
spot?
rented the court for a limited amount of time.
Okay, so I guess I failed that one.
Okay.
Why don't you choose your dunk?
All right. How do you choose? I feel like I'm at a fancy restaurant of dunks, and I'm like, what do I feel like tonight?
A fancy restaurant wouldn't have this big of a menu.
Excuse me, miss. What do people say about the Dr. J jam? Is that no?
Yeah,
okay,
good
I'm better.
luck.
I'm gonna go something simple. I'm gonna toss slam it. Oh, and I'm Jordan too. I'm not Bird. That's because Bird can't
Look
dunk.
at how he runs when you go like straight up or down.
This looks better than Double Dribble, but it does not handle better than.
I'm
Double
gonna go out on a limb and say that this game sucks because none of the buttons do anything. But I'm gonna jump out of my station here.
Yeah.
When you're making a game developers, when you're making a game, you have to. The one thing you have to do, the most important thing,
Just put Ninja Turtles in
is
it.
make sure. Yeah. Then the second most important thing is to make sure that the buttons do something.
Yeah. Yeah. There has to be some sort of give and take.
I'm gonna try a toss slam.
All right.
If
Go
I
ahead.
can get this, we're gonna call it a victory.
Okay.
But again, none of the
You're
buttons
pushing all the buttons.
are doing anything.
Nothing.
Do I gotta do like Mortal Kombat moves or something?
I don't know, man. Oh man, they shouldn't have called this game basketball. It's more like blue balls. Like, go ahead and dunk.
I pressed something. I don't know what I pressed, but it doesn't matter because the buttons aren't gonna do anything anyways. All right.
Hey, if anybody knows how to play Jordan vs. Bird slam dunk competition, let us know in the comments.
But first, smash that subscribe button.
Yeah, smash subscribe. If you want to watch two old dudes not figure out how to play a video game, smash.
If you started your day and you woke up and you said, you know what I want to do today? I want to watch on YouTube. I want to watch two old guys not play a game.
Subscribe.
You've come to the right place.
Yeah, subscribe all day long. Subscribe, unsubscribe, subscribe again. We appreciate it. Leave some love in the comments. Jordan vs. Bird.
Do we want to just like have a conversation? Like, fuck this game and we'll just sit here and talk
What
for
I
15
want to do
minutes?
is let's go to the slam dunk menu if we can.
All right,
let's
can I reset it? Nope.
Let's hypothesize.
Oh, here we go. Okay.
Oh no, I want to go to the slam dunk
Oh, I'm sorry.
menu.
Oh, what's this? What did I do? No. I don't know. What am I doing? We could play against each other, one-on-one.
All right, let's do it. Who do you want to be?
I really don't
I
give
was
a
the
shit.
Celtics for Double Dribble, so I feel like if you want some hometown pride and you want to be Bird.
I mean, I
I
could.
shouldn't have said that. Now people are going to try to find us.
They already know where we are because of my Cam Neely story. Which I tried to hide.
Did that make the episode?
I tried to hide it at the beginning. I was like, the local team plays in the rink here. And then I just talked about Cam Neely.
I don't even think that made the episode, though.
It is in the next one that hasn't
okay.
released yet.
All right, here we go.
All
Shouldn't have done that.
right, we got to learn how to... Okay. I mean, I'm Larry Bird. I'm just going to shoot threes. Why are you
Okay.
even defending anything?
Well, I'm Jordan, so I'm just going to take it into the paint and travel. Wow, this is a really technical game.
So, what is this music? It's like so dramatic.
It's like
Like,
we're
give me
playing
like
in a
a
dream.
cool beat or something. This isn't war. It's basketball.
It's war.
I got called for blocking. Oh, why couldn't you do that in the contest? It's not really a fair thing, though. I mean, yes, Michael Jordan is like the greatest of all time.
Right.
But in a one-on-one situation where I'm just shooting threes and you're dunking, like, it's kind of lopsided.
But I got the threes too. I got the threes
I guess
too.
so, yeah.
I'm Jordan, man. I'm
You
the
know what I'm
greatest player
saying,
of all
though.
time.
Like, oh, and then
You're
Jordan
the
doesn't
hick from French Lick.
get called for blocking.
Come on. Oh, charging. Come on.
Yeah, take that charge, Larry.
You weren't even planted, Larry Bird. I just want to slam dunk again. I'm not even trying to win. I'm just trying to do that dunk
Yeah,
again.
that was cool as hell.
I do like the sound the ball makes when it goes in the net in this game.
The Channel 3 static.
Yeah.
I think that's a running theme in 8-Bit Bromance is the Channel 3 static.
Look at this footwork. Look at this
That's
footwork.
fancy
It's all
footwork.
about basics. It's all about basics.
Fundamentals.
Come on, Bird.
You're
Look at
doing
me.
those
Look
wind
at me. Look at
sprints.
these. Look at all these clones in the audience. I cloned an entire. What?
Look at that picture of Larry.
Look at that bird stash. Epic.
Is that the game? Oh, we got to do this 3 more times?
No, we don't. There's nothing. We don't. We don't have to do this 3 more times.
There's no rule that says a dog can't play basketball.
Dude, when that movie came out, Air Bud, you think people in the sporting world, across the board, like panicked? And
He immediately went to the rule book.
like leaped into their rule books and started being like, oh, shit. Shit, how could we have not? Oh, my God.